Types of husbands. Number 1, whoa husband. This is the type of husband that is barking all the time, shouting at everybody. He will come back from work, he will start shouting from the door. Who kept this thing here? He's using noise to scare everybody. The only time he's not shouting is when he's sleeping. Another kind of husband is lover boy husband. This one is gone body. If he's passing, he will see your ass, he will tap it. If you are cooking in the kitchen, he will hug you from the back. He will press your apple. Anytime he's all over you. If you have that kind of husband that you are not romantic, you will lose him. Another kind of husband is mommy's boy husband. This one, everything is about his mother. To even choose a lady to marry, the mother has to either recommend or approve before he will accept. Everything is my mother said. If you do a little thing, he will call the mother and tell him, or call your own mother. If you want to have a good marriage with him, just be his mother's bestie and you will have him in the palm of your hand. Another kind of husband is family husband. This one is family oriented. He can wear one shoe for 1 year as far as the family is okay. He will buy for his wife, buy for his children. As far as the wife and children are okay, he doesn't care. He buys food stuff in bulk just for the family to be eating. Everybody just be good. Another kind of husband is community property husband. This one is like community he-goat. He will go around sleeping with everybody and anything. He will want to sleep with somebody that is tall, somebody that is a dwarf. He is never satisfied. He will marry a very beautiful woman, oh boy. He wants to test everybody. Another kind of husband is on a Onitsha market husband. This one is business oriented. If you want money, he will give you money. School fees, you will not say it 2 times, he will give you money. You want a car, he can buy you 2. I call them financial husband. All they know is to provide money. They are not romantic. Obuefi kind of husband. Another kind of husband is man of the house husband. This is the kind of man that any little thing he will tell you, I am the man of the house. I married you with my money. I paid your bride price. Always want to reassure you that I am in charge. If you are in charge, you don't need to say it. You will be in charge. So tell me another kind of husband that you know at the comment section. Thank you.
Good day, guys. Today's part 13 for Christmas meal. So start by marinating your chicken with some soy sauce, some oil, and some cornstarch. Set aside. Then in a separate bowl, mix your sesame oil with dark soy sauce, your regular soy sauce, and some black pepper and chili flakes. Then take your wok and on high heat, cook your chicken until it's cooked. Then remove from the pan, put in your onions and your garlic and cook for 1 minute. In goes your red pepper and your carrots and the peas. And continue cooking. Now push everything to the side, then cook your egg, then mix everything together. Then in goes your day-old rice. Continue mixing, making sure the rice is really mixed. Return the chicken, mix in, then the sauce goes in. Mix until it's fairly cold.
So as always, happy cooking, people.